courage, willingness, and joy. Hi, my name is Jonathan Creaghan. I'm the president of Creaghan Group, Inc. and Total Leader Solutions, Inc. So I'd like them to really take away a very simple message of change yourself, change the world. I just love the fact that at the core of who DriverCheck is a passion for employee well-being and health. It's like it just drips through everything that DriverCheck does, and I want to be able to support great companies like that. And if you think about what the summit's about, it's about thinking differently. It's about learning how to adapt and inspire yourself and others to think about things in a different way. If we think about the difference between motivating and inspiring, to motivate is where the head meets action. To inspire is where the heart meets action. And to inspire change is to pass on the energy of the heart to another person. Inspiration is contagious.